This review is for the BYGD BYGD Smart Battery Charger. This is a 5 amp. This is a 6 volt or 12 volt. Let's open it up and check it out. This is great for charging just about any battery that you have. So when you first pull it out, you're going to get some extra cables right here. And got a direction booklet as well. 5 amp battery charger, 6 volt and 12 volt, 5,000 milliamps. Okay, so what you're going to do is you can plug this right into your regular wall socket right here. It's got an LED display with different modes on there. It's got extra protection for hooking this up wrong, so it actually, you can't really hook this up wrong or blow a battery or anything. It has overcharge protection on it as well. Let's undo this cord here. Get 2 different cords here. One cord, if you plug this in right here, is going to be for wiring directly to your battery. It's got the 2 clips right here that you would wire to your battery with the nut that would be on your battery. And then the other style is with the alligator clips. So this should just be like your regular battery charger jump in your car. But here are the alligator clips. You can attach to your boat, your RV, your pontoon, your 4-wheeler, your lawnmower, just about anything. And so this is going to charge it up. It's not only a trickle charger to maintain your batteries, but it's also a deep cycle charger that's going to restore and give those batteries some extra life. But I like that it has a LED here. It'll tell you the volts and amps that it's charging at, when it starts, and when it's going to be finished. But this is for the BYGD 5 amp battery charger.